Yes, so good evening, everyone, and welcome to the show Ask Me How. Yes, tell me, Madhu. Yes, Madhu, what are your queries now?
No, why? Because we are into local area like village. We are in a village place, taluk headquarters. It's very difficult to understand in English language because the way they speaks in local classes like government schools in Karnataka. Usually they'll prefer 50% English and 50% local language Kannada. So that's the reason I am asked you.
So that I clarified initially only.
Yeah, I know.
Not
Yeah.
possible.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you, I have trained more than 20 candidates from Bangalore itself. You know, what is the position? Today, somebody asked me for Girinagar and nobody agreed to it. Because
Definitely.
it's really difficult to mix the two languages and then give the session. See, taking tuitions is something different.
Yeah.
There is always a difference between online trainings and offline training. Now, online is being compared because you have a copy, you have a video, you can compare with everything. So, in order to be on online, you have to be very clear with everything, right? No issues.
Correct.
Let me first talk to the child. Yes. So, where is the child?
Purvi is on, I think. She joined, I think.
No,
1
she's
second.
not there. Okay. Yes, Riyash.
1
Riyash,
second.
no issues. Riyash,
Yes.
yes, tell me, Riyash. So, what do you have in your mind?
Like, is it difficult to understand Vedic maths?
Can you do you remember movies?
Yeah,
How many?
I don't know.
How many movies do you remember?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't remember.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many movies? Movies, you know what is movie?
Yes.
Then?
वो कितने याद है तुम बताओ
इतना
About
movies याद? About
five or
5. 5 याद है ना? तो बस जब मूवी याद रह सकती है 3 घंटे की, तो मैथ्स तो बहुत सिंपल है. अच्छा,
मैं पहले भी लेता था क्लासेस, उसमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग थोड़ा हार्ड होता था.
क्या क्या क्लासेस लिया? कहाँ पे हार्ड आता है
वेदिक
आपको?
मैथ्स.
वैदिक मैथ्स कहाँ से लिया आपने?
ऑनलाइन ही लिया था.
किससे लिया था आपने?
सर का नाम याद नहीं है.
जब सर का नाम नहीं याद तो फिर कैसे हो सकता है? आप मुझे बताओ, आपको अपने टीचर का नाम नहीं याद होगा तो क्या क्लास लिया आपने? इसका मतलब आप अटेंटिव नहीं थे. ऐसा हो सकता है? आपने जो
मैं अटेंटिव तो था, बट वो बहुत पहले करता था मैं. अबाउट 1 साल पहले.
3 साल पहले.
3 साल पहले. अभी एज क्या है आपकी?
अभी तो 9 है.
तो 6 साल का बच्चा तो फर्स्ट क्लास में होता है. फर्स्ट में किसने गाइड किया आपको कि वैदिक मैथ्स करना है?
मैं पहले सेकंड में था.
फिर अभी किस में है? 7th में?
5th
में. करेक्ट, कोई बात नहीं. सेकंड में क्या क्या किया था ये याद है?
वो एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन और उसका प्लस यूनिट का कन्वर्जन.
वो तो आप मैथ्स में भी करते हैं, तो वैदिक मैथ्स में क्या किया आपने?
लाइक वो सेकंड वो बोरो वगैरह करना, फिर वो डिवीजन में कैसे अपना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में.
बोरो तो बेटा होता ही नहीं वैदिक मैथ्स में. देयर इज नथिंग लाइक बोरो.
और डिवाइडिंग में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था पहले, बट वो क्लियर हो चुका उसके बाद.
चलो, आज वो ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. पहली चीज मुझे, अच्छा चलो, सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है मैथ्स में?
मैथ्स में एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. चलो, अब ये देखो, सपोज मैं एक क्वेश्चन लिखता हूँ. स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
हाँ.
ओके. ये है 9, 6, 8 और मैंने ऐड किया 4, 7, 6. करेक्ट? क्या आंसर आएगा?
मैं एडिट कर दूं?
हाँ करो करो करो, कोई इशू नहीं।
Date. It was
जल्दी, एडिशन तो आपको अच्छा आता है बेटा। अरे
कर
बताओ।
रहा हूँ।
This is not Vedic maths.
हम्म,
No.
उसके बाद तुम प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया ना बेटा, इसीलिए तो वापस किया है। उस समय छोटा था, ये
मैम
अभी भी तुमको इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए।
नहीं,
तुम
पहली बात मैं ये वैदिक मैथ्स नहीं कर रहा मैम, और मैंने आपको शायद तब भी बोला था कि अभी रहने दो, छोटा है। ये वैदिक मैथ्स है ही नहीं मैम। सी व्हाट इज वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स, पहले समझें। Vedic maths is a journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence. Perfect. But वो क्यों है? हम लोग ऐसे नहीं ऐड करेंगे। We'll make use of one single line, जिसे हम कहते हैं बैलेंसिंग लाइंस। आपको याद हो, आपने किया था? नहीं, आपने भी 2 दिन का किया था वर्कशॉप।
1
नीलम
month
मैम,
1 month का किया था।
वीकली 2 days, 8 days का तो लिया था तुम टोटल।
नहीं मैंने 2 दिन का ही बोला। सैटरडे संडे की क्लास ली थी आपने एक बार?
नहीं लिया, नहीं
सैटरडे संडे नहीं, बाकी दिन।
सर का नहीं लिया। सर का पहले क्वेश्चन समझो। सर का सैटरडे संडे क्लास नहीं लिया तुम।
आपका सैटरडे संडे क्लास नहीं लिया था।
नहीं, मैं मैम आपसे नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, आपका मम्मा से पूछ रहा हूँ। मैम आपने लिया था?
यस सर, मैंने लिया था।
तो मैंने एडिशन कराना या मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन में कैसे सिखाया था? 2 नंबर्स को ऐड करना है।
राइट से लेफ्ट जाएंगे, वैदिक
वो
मैथ्स
भी-
में यही।
वो भी चल जाएगा। उसके अलावा ये जो क्वेश्चन था ना, देखो कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आता है। ये सब इसको 14 कर दो, 13 कर दो, 13 कर दो, फिनिश। नाउ बैलेंस करना है, तो बैलेंस जो था वो हमें, चलो लेट्स से ये आंसर
Yes.
आ गया रियांश। कैसे आया कोई बात नहीं, मुझे ये बताओ, इफ आई आस्क यू वेरीफाई दिस, चेक दिस अगेन, तो कैसे करोगे? हाउ विल यू डू?
आता है तो आता है।
सर मैं भूल गया वो वेरिफिकेशन।
डिजिट सम नाम सुना है? कोई बात नहीं, मैं बता दूंगा। इसका वो किया नहीं हुआ तो। यस मधु, वेयर इज पूर्वी?
Actually, she's on vacation. She went for cousin's house. I'm trying to log in her, but she's not able to log in. I'll join. I'll not an issue. I'll learn first, then I'll teach her.
This is not the, today. This is not the platform that I'll give you tuitions. This is where you can ask question and answers. And
Definitely.
so this platform is just that you can ask me any question regarding Vedic maths. I'll answer to it.
Fine. But just I
You
need
can
to
ask.
know the difference between Vedic maths and normal mathematics. They will teach from the classes, schools, right?
Right. I'll tell you what is the difference.
Yeah.
See, in normal mathematics, we follow only one particular method, whatever has been taught. But in Vedic maths, you can do the same question with number of techniques. Now, why is it so? See, very first thing we need to understand the principles of Vedic mathematics. The first principle says Vedic maths is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. Correct. Okay. Now, why do I say this fear? Now, tell me one thing. Can you write tables?
Yeah.
89 table, how much time you need?
It's very difficult. Maximum I can write 20 only, max to max. 18 is not about possible.
So if you say this,
it's possible, but it takes time.
Please, now I got your point. It's not your fault.
Definitely.
See, the fault is maths has been taught to us as a fear, as a havoc, as a stress. Correct. And this stress has been induced in our minds. That was induced in your mind. You have further transferred the same thing in the mind of your child.
Correct.
So it's not that they are wrong or you are wrong. It is being passed through generations.
Correct.
And the point is, we never realized also. I'll tell you, now you said 89 is nearly too difficult. Now you said you know up till 20, correct?
Yeah.
My question is, if you know 20, what is the problem in 21?
Correct.
There is no problem. In fact, the point is, today when I'll tell you this, you'll bang your head to the wall. If from
Correct.
up till 45 years of your age, you don't know the point. And again, I'm repeating, it's not your fault.
Correct.
Now see, I'll give you a very simple thing today.
Okay.
You said you know 20. I'll say, now if you have to write a table of 21, first method is you cram it. 21 ones are 21,
Correct.
21 twos are 42. Now this is a simple number, so it's a bit easy.
Easy. Yeah.
No
Correct.
issue. But let's learn from easy only.
Correct.
Then 105, then 12, 6. Correct. This is first way. So if it would have been 89 or 87, you would have gone down. Right.
Correct.
Second way is you keep on adding. So this is your first technique. This is your second technique. 21 plus 21, 42.
42. Yeah.
Plus 21, 63. 63 plus 21, 84. And like this, you keep on adding. This is like someone who is not able to cram. They
Correct.
try to do this in this manner and get good in the class. Now see another example, 87. Now 21 you could have done easily, but in 87, cramming is again difficult.
Exactly. But
Okay.
yeah.
After this, I don't know. You also don't know. Nobody knows. So we do what we try to do. Okay, add. Now see, every time I'm getting a carryover. Multiple carryovers. So every time I'll be having a carryover. This is you can say, silliest mistake in math.
Correct.
Should I give you an easy manner?
Yeah. You can.
None of your books would have that.
Definitely.
You know table of 2?
Yeah.
No problem. Can you write?
6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yeah. Going on. 16, 18. Yeah.
You know table of 1?
Yeah.
Finish. Now tell me one thing. Now that's why I said, no, it's very easy. If you just arrange, what's the result? Only at the last point. See what rule you have to follow. The rule is you cannot have 2 digits at one position.
Correct.
Now, this is taught in when you are learning place values. How many digits at one place? How many digits come at unit place? 1.
1.
One.
Tens position, 1. Here,
1.
every digit was 1. So
One
as
push,
it is, I could write here all up till here it was 1. But
Correct.
left hand side it hardly matters. Only here 0 was there. Okay, I'll give more clarity. Would come with tough number. See, 8, 7. Now it is 16, 24,
Yeah.
32, 40, 48, and so on. 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and so on.
Okay.
Now this is, let's say this is a unit place, this is a tens place. So just
yeah.
rearrange. Yes, fine.
Okay.
Now here, can I have 2 digits at unit place?
No.
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 So I just keep 4. That's all.
Okay.
So what happens to this 5? 1. It moves further.
6. Yeah.
6 plus 1 is
7.
7. And if you say keep it to the third place, then also it's fine. Otherwise, on the left hand side, 2 digits are together also, then also it's one and the same thing. Na?
Okay.
Here, one will be there, 2 goes here, it becomes 26. 8 is
26.
here, it becomes 34. 5 is here, it becomes 43. 2 is here, it becomes 52. Now tell me one thing, adding 87 every time was easy, or adding 1, 2, 3, 4 is easy?
This one, the second one is easy.
So is this, was this explained to you? No. Was this explained to your
No,
daughter?
nobody else.
No. It is nowhere
No.
in any book of mathematics, neither in your India, neither in Nepal, neither in Scotland, neither in any country of the world. And this is very simple principle of position values. Unit place will have only 1 digit, tens will have only 1,
Yeah.
100 will have only 1. Yes, if it is only up till tens, then this may have number of, that's all. Simple rule was
Correct.
there,
Correct.
and we never applied. This is Vedic maths. So Vedic maths is nothing different. It is the same mathematics, but using in a different manner. Now,
Okay.
tables are considered as the most fearful factor for any child. If, like I asked you, it was good enough that you replied honestly that you don't know.
Definitely. Yeah. True,
But
true. Yeah.
it is good. It is an honest reply. Otherwise,
Correct.
people don't agree to it also. They say, why should I answer? No, this is
Correct.
not. So, but you know, since you said, I don't know, now you learn today. You will
Correct.
never forget this because it's not nothing difficult. It's not rocket science. It's just simple. You were supposed to write the tables of the numbers together different. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Correct.
Yes. Yes, Riyash, you have raised hand. Tell me.
Sir, basically, I'm trying to exclaim that Vedic math is just not a normal mathematic, but it's in a different subject and manner.
See, we cannot say it as a different subject. Why? Because you're not learning something other than maths. You are doing the same maths in different manner. So it cannot be said subject. Rather, it can be said it is an alternative way to do mathematics. Got it?
Is it like also it's a different way to do mathematics?
Yes. Now, same. It's not only 2-digit numbers. Let it be this 3-digit number. Then also the table, same. See this as it is, nothing to be done. Here 8 remains as it is. Now 6 will be as it is. 1 goes further. So it becomes 1568. Finish. So no totaling mistake, no silly mistakes, nothing at all. Here 2. This 1 goes here, it becomes 4 and 1, 5. 2 goes further, it becomes 23. So answer is 2352.
Correct.
This is, yes, Sheetal Bhurat. Sheetal, are you able to listen?
ada link aku. Itu mana ni aku baru. Oh ni ya. Itu.
Yes. Is it clear? Now, second thing I told you, like, so this encourages, this gives you the confidence. So what is Vedic math? First thing, a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. Second thing, it gives you that feeling, yes, I can. Because the things are very much simple. Yes, Madhu.
Sir,
Yes.
like if we have a problem with mathematics, can Vedic maths also improve it and also solve it?
Beta, Vedic maths makes mathematics magical. You ask your problem. I'll show you how it can be solved. You ask your problem.
Okay. Like last time I was confused in this. 15
Hmm. Yeah, I'll bring water. Okay, do.
divided by 2.
divided by 2 से 3 कैसे करें?
3 1. Yes,
Now,
sir.
first thing is, this is not 15 divided by 2031. It is 2031 divided by 51. There is a difference. This is 2031 divided by 51. Sorry, 15. So you need to understand this. Now, see, before moving to this, now you cannot jump directly. I'll give you some steps first. Suppose now this question comes like this, 5. How will you do?
First I would put the 5 or first I would put the 5
Correct.
like
5 4s are 20. Correct?
yeah,
Then 3, then
like then 3, then you have to basically find that particular closer to it, but it should be lower than it.
So that
And
is correct now.
Yeah.
Okay. So 31 means 6.
Yeah.
Then 1, then 0. So 0.2. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Now, how Vedic maths we can do? See, whenever you are asked to divide by 5, 50, 500, 5,000, or so on like this, instead of division, we multiply, because multiplying is very easy. 2031 into 2 divided by 10. Because 5 into 2 will become 10, and here also. So we basically what we do is we multiply and we divide by 2. This is known as doubling concept. Now multiplying is very easy. 406, 2, and divide by 2. Finish. When in one single line you get the answer. Here you have to draw a complete tree.
Like, is there like a simpler way? Like, can we multiply those both and divide it by the answer?
See, that is you are asking about verification. Or okay, you write down your question, because then you'll be able to explain better.
I'm also confused in one more question of divide.
Yeah, tell me.
It's
कहाँ से निकालना था क्वेश्चन?
Is it 16?
Yes.
Now see, there are several ways. Now, one thing is what you follow flag. Now, if you ask me, I will not divide, I'll multiply. Or, okay, let's say divide. Now, what is 16? 16 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2.
Yeah.
4 times 2. So that means if this number is divided by 2 4 times, you'll get the answer. Now 3, 2, 1, 3. If I divide this first time, what I'll get? No, this you need to learn, because we have to teach you for that, right? It will come 1. Now, how you do is, what is 3 divided by 2? The quotient is 1 and remainder is 1. Yes?
Yeah.
So I'll put 1 in the main line and put this remainder in front of 2. Now this number becomes 12. So what is 12 divided by 2? Again, the quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. So 6, remainder 0. Now 0, 1 means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means 0 is your quotient and remainder is 1. 13. So 6, 1. So 0.5. This is your first answer when you divide by 2. So this is one easy approach. Correct. Because out of what you are asking me, the first operation is addition. Addition is most easiest. Then you come to subtraction. Then multiplication. But division, why division is tough? Because it makes use of two operations. One is you multiply and second is you also use subtraction. Correct. That is the reason why division is bit tough for you people. But when you'll do this, then it becomes more easy because we'll teach you how to divide easily by 2, 4, 8.
division go or
Now, these are simple by one concept. Then we'll also go how to divide by 5. So 5 also gone. 7, you get the same answer every time. 9, it is very easy. So only numbers left would be 3 and 6. Correct. So that is the reason you become more faster and faster. Okay, I'll show you one question today. Suppose this is the question. What 3, 2, 1 divided by 9? Can you give me the answer in one word, in 1 minute or 1 second? What is the quotient and what is remainder? Or what is final? Yes, tell me. Yes, Riyaj?
Like the question is, let me do it. Wait.
We learn better. All these things are, it takes 3 months minimum. So yes, we cover all such things.
Sir, like is this a part of Vedic maths? Like if like there is a number smaller than 9, do we have to take another number to add on it?
Sorry, come again. If number is smaller, yes, that is. See, we don't do by this method. I do by different method. Let this be A, let this be B, let this be C. So quotient is A/A plus B, and reminder is A plus B plus C. Finish. So what is A plus B plus 6? So 6 is your reminder. What is A plus B? That is 3, 5. 35 is your quotient. Finish. You can check. So Vedic maths is really easy, very convenient, but we need to understand, we need to take some steps. It cannot be done in a single day also everything. So today I have taught you table. Table, you are now clear? Yes, Ryansh, or do you have any more questions? You are in which class now?
Fifth.
Fifth. So can you open your book and tell me the syllabus? Do you have LCM HCF?
I am going to 5th right now. It's my vacation between 4 and 5th.
But you might have got the books.
No.
You have not got. Okay, can you open your 4th class book?
yes.
Yes.
Bring
Tell
it.
me the syllabus, or what was the
Okay.
most
Let me
easiest,
bring it.
and what was the most easiest and what was the most tough thing?
Okay,
How
let me
many
bring
marks
it.
you got in maths?
I haven't got the results yet.
Okay, how many marks you got in midterm in maths?
Like I think I got lower than 10 in out of 20. I think
Why? That means you don't love maths.
Confusion के कारण।
I know I was not confident and also I was confused.
Now, why you are not confident? Why you are confused?
I
That
was
is
also
what
nervous.
I'm giving you
I
a
was
very simple,
nervous.
I'm
I
giving
was
you,
nervous, that's why.
I'm giving you a very simple question. 96 plus 48. Correct? Now the sum, this is 144. Correct? Answer also I've given you. My
Yes.
question is, can you verify this? Is it correct or not? How will you verify?
Okay. Sir, if it's a smaller number, you always have to carry over, but in Vedic maths you can't show the carryover.
Leave that point. My question is, if this question is coming, how will you verify it?
Okay, let me you do wait, let me erase it once. Eraser.
ये ना, next question.
Yes, sir.
तो वहाँ X और Y वाले में confusion हो गया।
No.
You are writing it again. So what is verification?
I'm doing it the stepwise.
तो
That's
मन
why.
में कर लेना। Why तुम उसमें क्यों नहीं कर?
Verify कर दो.
Verify भी तो verify.
Like if
Verify,
you
verify ऐसे नहीं करना बेटा. This is, you are repeating the same thing. अगर आपसे कोई गलती हो गई है तो क्या वो आपको अपने आप दिखती है? हमसे कभी भी कोई गलती होती है तो क्या हम अपनी गलती को देख पाते हैं? ऐसे तो that is what you said ना कि मेरा confidence नहीं था. I was confused because हम अपनी problems को कभी solve ही नहीं कर पाते, अपनी गलतियों को. अगर ऐसा होता तो हमारे सारे questions ठीक ना होते. See, maths is the most easiest subject because you have got unique answer.
Yes.
क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि रियांश का आंसर कुछ है और मेरा आंसर कुछ है?
नहीं यार।
नहीं.
इसका मतलब सबका एक ही आंसर आना है. ये लैंग्वेज सब्जेक्ट तो है नहीं कि आपने कोई कहानी लिखी, मैंने कोई कहानी लिखी. दिस कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल. हम सबका एक ही आएगा ना, और हम सबका एक है, दैट मीन्स यूनिक है. So where is the problem then? Yes, Madhu, do you know how to verify? Sheetal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sheetal, tell me. You are from?
I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Okay. Yeah, tell me, Sheetal, how can I help you?
Actually, I'm just watching what's going on and how Vedic maths helps in normal life. Actually, I have a 5-year kid.
No,
So,
don't
watch.
put. Let him enjoy 2 more years. After 8 years, then it's good.
Okay.
Let him enjoy.
Okay.
I always say, update, because see, Vedic maths is not a different subject. Very first thing we need to understand.
Okay.
It is alternative way to do mathematics. Now, why is the hype? Because Government of India has made it compulsory. Because we are adding it into our curriculums. So right from class 3rd onwards, we'll be teaching up till 9th and then in the colleges and then university level. So that is the reason why people are rushing about this subject, right? Otherwise, it's better the child should go up till 3rd, then they can learn. Like, see, Rehansh is now, he's in 4th, he's just come, he's from Nepal and he's just joined 4th standard. Right. There is, yes, but if you want, I can give you only one concept. See, for class 1 and class 2, I don't say what is required. Why do we send our kids to school? Yes, can you give me the answer, Madhu? बच्चों को स्कूल क्यों भेजते हैं?
To learn some discipline, good manners.
That you can also teach.
Basics.
That you also can teach. The very first thing is to have that social bonding. and
Okay, okay. Yeah,
confidence.
right.
And confidence. Now, are our kids confident to go on the stage and say something? Or are they confident enough to speak? No.
नहीं नहीं.
और मैथ्स तो ऐसा हुआ है कि मैथ्स से ऐसे डरते हैं, क्लास मैथ्स की होगी तो बुखार ही आ जाता है. Correct. So for class 1 and 2, I just teach them one concept. I tell them one concept. Now, why this concept is taught? This is known as digit sum. Riyash, now just take this seriously, because this is what will increase your confidence. It is very helpful in all addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, whatever in maths you want, wherever you want to check whether I am correct or not. This will help you out. And if you'll use this, your questions will never go wrong. So all your questions, whatever you'll be attempting in your exam, they will be 100% correct. And you'll be knowing initially only, before submitting the paper, you will know, yes, I have done everything correct and these many marks I'll get. This is basically, it enhances the confidence. The concept is called as digit sum. Now, as the name says, it is sum of digits. Digit sum means sum of digits. That's all. This much is the concept. And usefulness to verify answers in every part of mathematics. Let it be your addition, let it be your subtraction, multiplication, division, and all. How? I'll tell you. So first name, it is called as digit sum. Also, it is called as digital root. Also called as Navashesh. Also called as Bijank. Bijank. Navashesh means 9 reminder. Okay. Now, how it works? First, single digit numbers are there. Now, digit sum should be always, I told you it is sum of digits, correct? So it should be always from 1 to 9. That's all. Now, for single digit numbers, now the single digit number starts from 1, 2, 3 up till 9. So digit sum is also the same, 1, 2, 3 up till 9. For double digit numbers, now double digit numbers will start from 10. Now what is digit sum? 1 plus 0. It is again 1. What is 11? 1 plus 1. Again 2. If I go ahead, 1 plus 7. It is 8. 1, 18. It is 1 plus 8. That is 9. 19. 1 plus 9. It is 10. 10 is what? Again 1. Because it has to be reduced to single digit only. And that has to be between 1 to 9. Is it clear now? Okay. Let's move. If it is 29, again 2 plus 9, 11. That means 2 only. 35. 3 plus 5, 8. 46. 4 plus 6, 10. That means 1. 1, 5, 5. 11. That means 2. Now is it clear? Yes, up till here, Riyash, are you getting what is digit sum? Sheetal?
Yes. Yes. Sir,
Yes, ask.
like, I'm a little confused that are you teaching BODMAS?
No, but I'm just teaching you how to add numbers. Just add the digits.
I'm
Sum
clear
of
about it.
digits. Digit sum. Correct. Why I am teaching, I'll tell you now. Now, if you didn't observe this thing, let me show you. When it was 19, when it was 29, when it is 39. You go this way, 1 plus 9, 10, and then also digit sum would be 1. You go 2 plus 9, 11, then also it would be 2. This would be 3. So what do you learn from this? You learn that if you ignore 9, then also nothing changes. So that was the reason it was called Navashesh. So that means if you have like this 197, don't go for this 1 plus 9 plus 7 long way. You'll say 10 plus 17, then 8. No, instead of that, ignore this 9. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Finish. So 9 can be ignored. One more thing. If it is 1, 9, 3, 5, 7. Now this 9 can be ignored. Plus 3 and 5 is 8 and 1. This is also 9. This can also be ignored. So 7 is your result. No need to add total because that saves your time. But at the same time, this does not mean if I ask you what is digit sum of 99, don't say it is 0. It is 9. So you can ignore 1 9, but the other 9 will remain. I hope now it is clear. Yes. So now let me tell you how to verify. And then I'll tell you how students are asked questions in MCQ scholarship exams and how they attempt the questions. Now let's say this is your question 324, 226. Now answer is 550. This everybody can do, I know. But still, are everybody able to get this correct in the exams? Yes, Riyansh? No. They make silly mistakes. Now, how to check this? Whether you have done it correctly or not? Find digit sum of this. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 10. That means 1. Addition. 9 plus 1. Again 1. If you observe, what is digit sum of this? Answer. Again 1. So digit sum of question is equal to answer. That means whatever you did was correct. This is the simplest thing to verify, to check your answers. And it works on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and very important, it works on what? MCQs, multiple choice questions. When a child is going for 6th standard, there are so many Olympiads, competitions, and so on. But why our students are not able to clear? Why our children lack in that? It's not that they don't know. The thing is, they don't know time management. I'll show you one question. Neelam, are you there? Now see this question. How will you? Okay. Now such questions are asked in for 6th standard. Now you'll say this everybody knows. Correct. But every child will take 3 minutes to solve this. And in scholarship or entrance exam, we have got 1 minute to solve one question. And 4 answers are also given. Yes, Madhu. Can you tell me how to do it or which is the correct answer? Sheetal?
Little difficult, sir.
No. Difficult because you never thought about it.
Yes.
See now what will you think? Okay, solve this, that's all. If you were required to solve this only, why examiner would have given you 4 answers? Is examiner thinking that you cannot solve it correct? See, what does MCQ means? Multiple choice questions. And such questions come in your entrance examinations, all your Olympiads, NTSC, entrance exam. What is expected basically? Neelam, are you listening? Yes, Shinoja Banerjee. Yes, Mr. Banerjee, you are from? Okay. Now, that is not expected. So what is expected? You solve this in lesser time. How to do it? Now, what is 352? What is the digit sum? Yes, Riyash, what is the digit sum of 352?
1.
1. What is digit sum of 867 then?
Ma'am, sir, the digit sum of 362 is 2.
How? It is 352, beta. 362 nahi hai.
Yes, 352, but it's 1.
And what is digit sum of 867 then? Madhu, you're not answering.
3.
3. Now,
Yeah.
what should be, that means for the quotient 1 into 3 is 3. That means if your answer is correct, then the answer should have also digit sum 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is the digit sum of this? See, I'll cross this 9.
5, 5, 4, 9, 10, 6.
Can I have this correct? No. Now see this 9, 9, 3. That means this can be correct. But let me check others also. This. Then this is gone. 5, not possible. 4, no. Yes. What is correct? 3. So that means this is correct. So that is the reason you don't have to actually solve it. Are you getting now, Sheetal?
Yeah.
See, whenever there is an entrance exam, scholarship, or any competitive, you are not expected to solve. You are expected to get the result in less time. And for that, digit sum is very important. But otherwise, is concept of digit sum a difficult thing? Nothing. Just adding the digits. Got the point?
Correct, sir.
So this is what is called as magic of. Yes, Shina Banerjee, Mr. Banerjee, do you have any questions? Adya, Amar,
No, sir.
yes, Gaurav. Who is this Gaurav from? Okay, Amar started scribbling. So let me remove him. Yes. Anything, any questions now? Yes, Madhu, now you have any questions?
Yeah. Just the question for the before question you asked, right? Multiplication 3 digits. Okay, you said if you give a 4 multiple answers. So is this rule applicable for all the answers for all only for what you can say? It's given to the multiple answer if you can any exams or something competitive exam. We have multiple options. If you don't have multiple option, is it how to crack this?
If you don't have multiple options, at
Yeah.
that time you can verify your answers.
Okay. Okay.
Right. At that time you can verify.
Okay.
Nobody has stopped you to verify, na?
That's true. That's true. Just weird.
Now, what is the, see, I'll tell you the reason behind it is, now this multiple choice questions or anything. Now, where we are lacking. See, when we talk about kids of class 3rd, 4th, 5th, what do they have? They have addition or simple subtraction or multiplication or division.
Correct.
As per you, they should never go wrong. Correct? These answers should be correct. But does it happen?
No,
Why are they making mistakes in that?
they're not checking, cross-checking.
Now, how do they check? Can you,
Yeah, they
can you, okay, if you have committed some mistake in anything, leave the mathematics part, any
Correct.
topic, anything you have done, if you have made some mistake, can you check your mistake out?
No, it's not possible.
It's the most difficult thing. We cannot find out our mistakes.
Correct.
So when we cannot find out our mistakes, same thing happens with the students also. Why don't we understand this basic rule? And as per that only, we need to make them confident. How will they get confident? Once they understand how to verify their answers. So as I showed you in addition, now simply with digit sum they can verify, yes, I am doing it correct. Similarly in subtraction they'll be doing, similarly in multiplication we just checked, or division or anything. Now when you'll be able to know that yes, you have done this answer correct, will you not be more confident? Okay, I'll give you a simple example. When your child is going for an exam, or when you used to go, your teacher or your parents were saying like, attempt those questions first which you know by heart, and then attempt those which you are bit nervous on. Yes or no? Yes,
Correct. Yeah, 100%.
Why was this said?
The way, because yeah, usually we have parents also say the same thing, right?
Why they say?
Normal people will say the same. Even school also they'll thought whichever is easy, right first, then go for a difficult one.
So why? What is the concept behind that? That's what my question is.
To make utilization of the time for exams, or because so that at least they can complete the knowing answers, right? Knowing questions.
That's what. See, if you start with a problem, if you start with a day with, and in the early morning you have a query, what will happen? Entire day will go same way because your mood gets upset, right? Now, if in an exam, the first question you attempt and you are not able to solve it, what will happen? Same thing. Now, take it in an opposite manner. If you do first question and you get the confidence, by chance it was the same question you have done last night, how do you feel? Very happy.
Yeah, that's
correct. And the same thing, if you have solved the question and you know I have done it 100% correct, you don't have a doubt on this, that will also give you the confidence.
Definitely.
So every question, when you keep on doing every question and you have 100% faith, 100% confidence that yes, whatever I am attempting, that is correct.
Yeah.
So that's why I said, Sheetal, now you got it. I don't want class 1 and class 2 to do Vedic mathematics. Thus, just one concept of this Vedic maths, digit sum. Let them be confident first. Let them gain that energy first.
Correct.
They will learn in third class, no issues. But this only one single concept will help them a lot. They'll get motivated. They'll be boosted, and that is required. See, I totally disagree to all those people who say my child is not doing good, or he cannot do maths, or he cannot do this. Just think, don't they remember 40 movies? If you ask them They might remember 20 plus movies scene by scene. They remember 40 songs word by word. So what is wrong in the education? What is wrong in your subjects? The wrong is they don't
Teaching.
find it interesting. Your education system is not interesting. That is the reason why they are not liking it. So first we need to make our education system interesting, and Vedic maths gives that, because the same question can be solved in number of ways, and then again solving also and making you confident that yes, you are doing it correct.
Correct, definitely.
Just take it upon you only. You are doing some work in your office and you know I am doing it correct. What would be your situation? And the one work you are doing it and you are unknown whether I am doing it correct or no, I don't know. So what would be the situation at that time? Just compare that one and you'll get the answer.
Correct.
Correct. Yes. So are there any questions you have? Anyone? Shri Shrinjoy Banerjee, you didn't ask anything. So, see, like this, if you attend a class or a session and you don't answer, you be mom, there's no benefit. I'm not losing anything, you are losing. If because every person has his own problems, every person has its own queries, questions. So you are free to ask. This is your platform. Right. Anything else? Anyone? Shri Shrinjoy, my friends want to join the session. They are in waiting room. When you are not joining, what will they learn? So anyone? Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, then thank you very much.
Thank
And
you so much.
good night. Right.
Good night, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.